Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So very big opportunity of 2022 for you guys from ESIC for the position of upper division clerk, that is UDC. Total 1885 vacancies are there and salary will be approximately 36,000. Okay. If you are graduate or fresher, you can apply. There is no percentage criteria also. Just passing is required as a graduate. Okay. The biggest advantage of this vacancy is state-wise vacancy. I will show you in the next slide that what is the meaning of state-wise vacancy. So now we will start our video quickly. So first we will discuss important points. So as I told you that state-wise vacancies are there. So yes, the question may arise that whether you can apply to your own state or other state also. So the answer is yes, you can apply to any of the state. You can apply to other state also. There is no problem in that. Okay. Then what about category guys? Those who are from OBC, EWS, SC/ST, you will treated as within your category only. Okay, you will not treated like a general if you apply to other state other than your state. Okay, posting definitely whatever state you will select in the form, you will get the posting in that state only. Process will be pre-mains. Okay, these are the two main exams we have for this examination. Then you fill multiple forms? No, you can't fill multiple forms. Only one form you can fill. Okay. And final eligible, so no final year not eligible, only pass outs are eligible. And in the comment section you will get the link of our official ESIC group, so just join that. Age limit is cutoff date is 15th of February. Okay, so you will calculate your age till 15th of February. So 27 for general OB, EWS OBC 30, SST 33, PWD 37, general OBC 40, SST 43. Now we will see state-wise vacancy for ESIC 2022. Actually, it took me approximately 30 minutes, okay, to design this table for you guys, just for your simplicity, because notification is individual as per your state, okay. But now you can see here state-wise vacancy. So for Kolkata 125, Uttarakhand 9, Uttar Pradesh 38, Telangana 27. Okay, category-wise vacancy you can see here. There is no need to dictate. Then Telangana 27, Tamil Nadu 156 vacancy, Maharashtra 334. Okay, then Rajasthan you can see, Punjab, Puducherry, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat also have good amount of vacancies. Then Kerala 68 vacancy, Karnataka 206. Okay, hit the like button as I prepare this table for you guys. Jharkhand 6 vacancy, Jammu Kashmir 8 vacancy, Himachal 31, Bihar 45, Assam only 1 vacancy, Andhra Pradesh 8, Chhattisgarh 18, Delhi 246 vacancies, Haryana 100 and Goa 13 vacancies. Important days, form will start from 15th of January and it will end on 15th of February. So definitely form filling video will be there. So no need to worry. Okay. About exam date, definitely I will give you notification later. Okay. Till now there is no information, but just wait for our strategy video. Fee, general OBC EWS will pay 500 rupees and SC/ST female PWD ex-serviceman for 0 rupees, and for SC/ST female candidates 250 rupees. Okay, now the most important thing is exam pattern. So exam pattern for pre-exam, which is just qualifying. Okay, in the strategy video we will discuss in detail that how you can crack this exam and everything. But for now, pre-exam is qualifying. What have? Quant, general awareness, English, reasoning. Okay, basic syllabus, total questions 100, duration 60 minutes, total marks 200. Negative marking is there. Paper language will be English and Hindi. There is no sectional cutoff. Then about mains exam. So in mains exam, the same syllabus, only question number has increased. Okay. Along with question number, time is also increased. Earlier it was 60 minutes, now we have 120 minutes. Okay, same pattern, there is no problem in that. And the third test will be there, which is basics test, that is computer skill. Okay, it is very easy test, don't need to worry about that. For preparation of PPT, then typing on MS Word, they will just take basic knowledge of you. Then how can you make table on MS Excel with the help of formulas. Okay, all these things are available on the internet or YouTube, so no need to worry at all. And this is also qualifying exam. Okay. The only exam which is important for you is mains exam, which we'll consider for final selection. Definitely we'll discuss this in our strategy video. So just wait for that. And the next video will be form video. Obviously form will start on 15th of January. So before that our strategy will be there. Okay. Compulsory join ESIC Telegram group. Now it is very much important for you guys. Okay. We are having 2000 members already. So just join that group. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, just comment down below. And if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram also. Okay. All the best.